Hello everyone, we are Team BrewtForce and we are here to present our idea for the PSB Hackathon 2026, Sentinel AI, the silent guardian of corporate integrity. Let's talk about a threat that banks don't always see coming: insider fraud. Today's banking system depends on privileged users, system admins, database managers, operations staffs who have deep access to the critical data, but that same access creates risks. Traditional fraud systems are rule based and reactive. They only flag something after a threshold is crossed, but by then, the damage is already done. They miss subtle early behavioral changes that hint at something going wrong. That's exactly what Sentinel AI does. It's an AI driven early warning system that continuously monitors internal and privileged user activities across banking systems, logins, data access, transactions, system interactions, and builds a behavioral profile for every user. When a system deviates from their normal patterns, the system doesn't wait. It generates a risk score and fires an early warning alert. Our unique and innovative solution is: 1. Continuous activity monitoring. Every login, every access, every transaction is captured in real time. 2. Behavioral profiling. The system learns what normal looks like for each user, their typical hours, access frequency, usual operations. 3. AI based anomaly detection. Machine learning algorithms flag anything that deviates from the normal baseline: unusual system access, irregular transactions, odd frequency patterns, that logins during logins, etc. 4. Dynamic risk scoring. Each user gets a live risk score. The higher it climbs, the more likely something suspicious is happening. 5. Early warning dashboard. Fraud analysts get real time alerts and a centralized view of all high risk activities so they can act fast. The technical approach. On the technical side, we are building this with a modern production ready stack. The front end is built with React with Chart.js for real time data visualization. The backend runs on a FastAPI in Python, fast, lightweight, and scalable. And at the core, our ML engine uses Scikit-learn with the isolation forest for unsupervised anomaly detection and random forest classification. Battle tested algorithms well suited for the behavioral analysis. Feasibility and viability. Now, is this actually buildable? Absolutely, and here's why. We acknowledge the challenges: high data volumes, potential false positives, and integration with legacy banking infrastructure, but we have thought through each one. Well, we'll use efficient log filtering and pre-processing to handle scale. Our ML models will be continuously retrained on historical data to reduce false positive over time. And our modular architecture means it can plug into existing monitoring tools without a full overhaul. The input we need, login records, access logs, transaction history, already exist in every bank. We are not asking them to build a new infrastructure, we are making existing data smarter. The impact of this system is real and measurable. Early fraud detection: catch suspicious behavior before it becomes a crime. Reduced financial loss: alerts come early enough to intervene. Improved compliance: helps banks meet regulatory and security standards. Enhanced monitoring of privileged users who often fall under this radar, and faster investigations. Security teams get detailed actionable alerts, not just raw logs. In short, Sentinel AI doesn't just detect fraud, it prevents it. From a commercial standpoint, our target customers are banks, financial institutions, and payment service providers. Essentially, anyone who has privileged internal users and sensitive data to protect. Our revenue model is two-pronged: enterprise software licensing for large institutions and subscription-based SaaS model for ongoing monitoring and analytics. And it scales beautifully from a single branch to thousands of users across an entire banking network. To summarize, Sentinel AI is a proactive, intelligent, and scalable solution to one of the banking's most underestimated threats, the insider. We are not waiting for the fraud to happen, we are stopping it before it actually starts. Thank you. We are Team BrewtForce, and this is Sentinel AI.